Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So currently in the stable version of Microsoft Edge, if we head into our settings, we have currently AI innovations where you can toggle on and turn on Copilot mode and all its different settings like Copilot new tab page, journeys, and so on. And if we head into appearance, you've got another page for Copilot in sidebar with those settings applicable for Copilot and the sidebar. Now this looks like it could be set to change, because if we head over to Edge Canary, which is an early preview version, you'll see now if we head into our settings that first of all the AI innovations has been removed yet from the bottom of the left-hand navigation menu. And you'll see if we head into appearance, Copilot settings have been removed from the appearance page. But you'll see now there's a new Copilot and AI page in Edge Canary that groups all the options related to Copilot and replaces the AI innovations page. So if we click on that, we can see, here's show the Copilot button in the toolbar. Here's Copilot new tab page, which obviously if we toggle that on, we've got Copilot now in Copilot mode, and your other relevant settings. So this is an interesting change, and I actually think this makes more sense, where unlike it is currently in the stable where you've got two different sections for AI. You've got AI innovations, and then you've got another one in appearance for Copilot. This now just combines everything into one convenient page, Copilot and AI, which I do think makes a lot more sense. And I personally don't see why this wouldn't roll out to a stable version. Everything regarding Copilot, basically, and AI in the preview versions of the browser has to some extent or the other made it to the stable version. So I think it's only a matter of time before that change does make it to stable. But I'll keep my ears to the ground. And obviously, if I get any more information, I'll post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.